restaurant and bar. If you keep the restaurant name in mind, then it will be easily for you all to go to Dumdum Cantonment station, because the left side of the restaurant there is a road going, and with that road you can easily go to Dumdum Cantonment station. From Dumdum Cantonment station you will get the bus 30D, number 30D. With that bus you can go to Nagar Bazar, Diamond Plaza, Sham Bazar and many other places. Ninth point is, when you reach Goruhata Mode, if you go left side, that is Nagar Bazar. From that you can go to Diamond Plaza. But if you go right side, that is Dumdum. You can easily go to Dumdum metro station. I hope this vlog was informative, interesting and you liked it. My second vlog is going to be from Goruhata Mode to Dumdum station.